Good morning. My name is Gloria Cadavid. I am a psychology student at UNAD University. I am taking English in Group 363 with Daniel Gamarra. I live in Envigado with my family. We usually go out and visit some nice places around here, but during this pandemic, we prefer to stay at home. Okay, I'm going to talk about my last trip to my vacations. That was my last trip. It was about 12 years ago. We went to Armenia, Quindío. Armenia is a close place. Yeah, it's very near to Antioquia. It's about 6, 7 hours, and it's a very peaceful and kind of antique place. Okay, the weather there is like here in Medellin, but a little more fresh. It is about 25, 27 degrees, so you can wear a light jacket in the morning, and during the afternoon you can wear fresh clothes. Armenia is famous for the local farms that are specialized in in coffee growing. Okay, growing coffee. I'm sorry. Okay. First, during this trip, we visit some local bars and drank a lot of liquor based on coffee. We ate great food and met all kind of people over there, people from all over Colombia, and most of the time they were very friendly and kind with us. We danced, listened to music, drank, ate, well, all kind of activities. Then we visit the Parque del Café, and finally we went to Panaca. In Panaca, we had such a great experience because we went horse riding, and then we saw all kind of Colombian ballet and dances, and I this was a very scary experience in my opinion, because we went to I don't know, it's a roller cable car, something like that, and but at the end it was I was we were crazy and had a great time. Okay, I recommend you to visit the place because it's cheap, it's close to Medellin, and it's really beautiful. Okay, see you there. Bye bye.